Does your mind ever become an uncontrollable storm? Are you constantly surrounded by the sadness of the past and the worries of the future? And are you unable to focus on your work? If so, then today's 5-minute story is only and only for you. Missing it could be the biggest mistake of your life, so make sure to watch till the very end. So, let's begin. It is a story from ancient times. Between beautiful mountain ranges, a small settlement was inhabited. In that settlement lived a 20-year-old boy named Noman. Noman's condition was filled with restlessness. His mind was always a center of thoughts. From morning till evening, countless thoughts kept circling in his mind, because of which he remained tired and in a constant state of confusion. He often stayed drowned in the sorrow of his past, and the worry of the coming tomorrow kept consuming him. The flow of his thoughts was no less than a stormy river, as a result of which he was deprived of mental peace, could not sleep peacefully at night, and had practically forgotten the meaning of laughter in life. One day, Noman heard a tale about a settlement located far away in the mountain ranges. People said that an elderly and wise old man lived there. This old man was once a renowned psychologist of the city who had helped countless individuals and guided them towards inner peace. Now, in his old age, he had left behind the noise of city life and settled in a quiet village close to nature, and occasionally blessed those seeking advice with his wisdom. A new hope along with curiosity arose in Noman's heart. He made a firm decision that he must meet the old man. He said to himself, "Maybe this elder can guide me to find the peace of my heart." After many days of long and difficult travel, Noman finally reached that small settlement in the mountains. There, he saw a small house hidden among greenery. In the courtyard of the house, the old man was sitting in great tranquility, his eyes closed and deep peace visible on his face. Noman slowly approached him and very humbly said, "Respected Babaji, my mind is very restless and I cannot control my thoughts. I am longing for inner peace. Can you guide me?" The old man slowly opened his eyelids and answered with a calm smile, "Oh, so you are seeking mental peace? Come with me. I will give you a simple task." He took Noman to his garden and filled a glass with water. The glass was so full that even a slight slip could cause the water to spill. He gave the glass to Noman and instructed, "Go from here to the boundary of the village and then come back. But you must ensure that not a single drop of water is wasted." Noman looked at the old man in surprise, but because he wanted to perform his best, he agreed to the condition. He held the glass firmly and began to walk. The path was narrow and full of distractions. Passers-by were walking, some were running, shopkeepers were selling their goods, and dogs were barking continuously. But Noman did not pay attention to anything around him. His eyes were completely fixed on the glass. He kept taking slow and careful steps. People looked at him in surprise, but no one interfered because everyone could sense that he was learning an important lesson. When Noman returned to the old man, he proudly said, "I succeeded, Babaji. I did not spill even a drop of water." The old man smiled and nodded, then asked, "Very good. But tell me, did you look at the children playing on the way? Did you hear the barking dogs?" Noman was stunned and said, "No. My attention was only and only on the glass, so I neither saw nor heard anything." The old man once again smiled lovingly and gently explained, "My son, this is the basic principle. It was always within you, but you were unaware of it. When your awareness becomes fully present in the moment, then there remains no space for fear, chaos or unnecessary thoughts. You were completely immersed in the water of the glass, and your mind became fully calm. You had no sorrow of the past and no fear of the coming time. Slowly, Noman understood this. This was the spiritual peace he had been searching for. Peace is not something found in the outside world, rather, it is within us. We just need to learn to live in the present moment. Noman bowed and gently said, I understand, Elder. If I want to keep my mind calm, then I must focus on the present moment. True peace begins from here. The old man gave another smile. The sun was about to set, and the last rays were lighting the earth. The flocks of birds were returning to their nests. Noman began his journey home, but he was no longer that disturbed young man. He had completely changed. He was peaceful from within, because now he had learnt the way to control his mind.
If you enjoyed this story, please support us by giving it a like, subscribe to join our family, and share this message with others. Thank you.